Señor. Hello friends, Ben here with another video. Thank you very much for tuning in. And it is not a secret that I am new in fragrances. I am slowly building my collection, and actually that was one of the reasons that I decided to start doing fragrances videos on YouTube, so I can document the process of getting my collection done and choosing the signature scents that I prefer. I happen to enjoy more spring and summer fragrances, and that's what I see that right now my collection is weak on summer fragrance. So I ordered my very first Guerlain fragrance. I'm sure you are very familiar with the Guerlain line of cosmetics and beauty products. So I decided to try one of their fragrances. So I ordered myself Guerlain L'homme Ideal, which is the entry-level fragrance. It came out just a couple of years ago, and it's supposed to be like this really nice summer scents that you can wear for like work environments, and it's supposed to be like a clean scents. This one's here, and actually I'm gonna start doing the unboxing right now. So this fragrance right here, it is very inexpensive, and pretty much all the fragrances that I feature in my channel are kind of affordable or budget fragrances. I know Guerlain have some high-end fragrances, but to be honest, I don't think I am there myself to be buying that kind of product, although I'm pretty sure one day I will be able to try some of those fragrances that are more high-end. So I got here, this is the Guerlain Cologne L'homme Ideal. This is the 33 fluid ounces or 100 ml. I got this one from Amazon, and I want to give you my first impressions of the scents. I already mentioned it is a fresh scent, summer. It's supposed to be a very citrusy with with a lot of citrus notes in it, and some sweetness from almond, and even some musk and vetiver. Get the green. This is the bottle. Like I said, this is the 100 ml or 33 fluid ounces. It's a white bottle. Cap is really tight right now. It's the first time I open it, and the scent is very clean. Actually, what I was expecting, clean scent that you can wear in work environments or indoor environments in the summertime, you know. I hear many reviews from these fragrances, and that was another reason why I decided to order it, because all the reviewers, they have very positive things to say about it, except for the performance, which is kind of expected with the fresh scents, with the summer scents. The performance is not going to be that great. I am looking forward to give Guerlain a really good test it for a few days, and maybe do a full review, including all the notes in here, including performance and projection, and if I get any compliments too, and I'll let you know in a future video. Let me know if you would be interested and see something like that. Again, this is the Guerlain L'homme Ideal. Guerlain is a French brand. They are really well known in cosmetics and beauty products. They also have their line of fragrances. This one's happen to be one of the very inexpensive, very affordable one, but they also have a high-end line of fragrances, which I hope to be able to try someday too, and I share with you my thoughts on all those fragrances. So I'll be interested also if you haven't had the chance to try fragrances from Guerlain brand, and let us know in the comments section, and see what was your experience with that scent. Other than that, that's all I have for this video today. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you again in a future video next week. Until then, stay well. Bye.